Alright guys, this will be the part 2 for the Lexus. I have some of the parts. The customer didn't want to fix all the doors, so I'm going to fix driver side door, front, passenger side, and the tailgate. These are the parts. Most likely these ones are for the front, and this is the one for the tailgate, most likely, yeah. So I'm gonna put this one away here for now. I don't need it. And I'm going to start taking this apart and then showing the have to repair at least these 3 doors working. All right, so stay tuned, and hopefully this is helpful for somebody too. All right guys, sorry for the weird angle on the camera. I have it with a suction cap on the rear door attached. At least I can show you guys what I will be doing. I guess hopefully the audio is good too. I'm gonna try to put the microphone in there so you guys can hear me well. Now let's take this together. So the first thing I did is carefully remove this plastic and disconnect it. It goes in here. Just, you know, when you open the plastic, you can go from the back and pull this out. This is just a plastic with a little bit of a foam, and it has a sticky I don't even know how to call that. It was kind of like a tar, gum, whatever. So I'm just gonna stick it in there. So at least it's out of my way. We need to remove this number 10. Let me take these out of the bags. I know the fact that this is going to come with a latch mechanism and everything. Like, always check before I take anything apart. So we can see this right here, and this is most likely our main one in here. I was lucky to remove that, so we need to remove this and the rail that goes up to hold the window, which is a number 10 here. And these are torch in here too. Let me see, like a P30. Yep. A magnet tray in there for the bolts. Put this on the side. Remove this number 10. Okay. I hope you guys are being able to see not just my back. It's the only position I can put that camera on. Just take the rail. You probably can just hang it in there. I just pull it a little bit from the rubber, you know, for the on the gasket on the door, and they just let it hang in there. I need to completely remove that. And part of this, what else we got in here? So we have the door connection, and it's very simple. So you have this right here, which it looks like a Phillips head, is the one with the key, and then the other one just slides in here, which is the one for the door handle on the outside. And obviously we're gonna have to move these cables. It's amazing that what Toyota charges and it doesn't send the whole assembly complete. It's just alright. So put this in here. These are basically one. This is the plastic cover. There's one clip in here, no matter what it breaks. Go to here. it out. It's just a normal hook. You just hook it in the hole in there. It has a slide in there and then close that. It's simple. We'll do the same thing with the open cable. Get it there. And that's it. So now we can put this one back. So what we gotta be careful is make sure that get with that right here. Same position. So yep. So we're gonna bring it inside, and again, this portion, which is for the key, is the one you have to hit first. Hopefully you'll be able to do it without a major problem. And then hook the other one is going to be the one harder. I got that one inside. It's very hard to see. I got the one for handle installed, and I'm fighting now the after one for the key. Trying to get it up where I can connect it in here. On the side. Doesn't make it any easier. Otherwise, I'm going to have to pull the cylinder out. That's what I don't want to do. Got it in. Check that with a mirror. Nope, it's not. Okay, so we keep trying it. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to remove the outside handle. It's so tight of a space. With a mirror in order to see what I'm doing in there. See a little better. Gotta get a smaller mirror for this. That was that's what I was looking at. I got it over there. Gonna like fish it in. Come on. It's not going easy. Let me see what I can do with this cylinder. Let me close this so we're gonna make a very long video. Let me close this 1 second. Alright, back in business. So yeah, it's definitely easier just to remove the key cylinder. It's a T30. You have a hole here, you know, so I use just the T30. It has a hole, a bolt that stays in there. You remove, you know, the bolt, pull this out. Now we can pull this in place. You know, worrying about that one, just the handle mechanism. Okay, that's in place. And now let's get the bolts for the outside, which are 230. Put them in the other hand. Alright. place. Yeah, like that is no need to fish and waste your time. Totally just remove here is the easiest way. Alright, now we can bring the key cylinder, you know, with this mechanism, a little slide in place. The key revolt front. See, the key help you kind of like maneuver it easier, and then again the bolt stays here. And that's it. We can put the this has like a rubber or plastic cover for the hole here, and we can put this back. So the cables, they gotta go out of here. Both get out of there. And this is the nice thing about this glue, that it can be reused. And then just put everything as possible, as original as it was. And then, oh, 1 second, I'm forgetting to put in the rail. See? Slide it up on the gasket. Sticky. There. Obviously that rail has to be attached in the top as well. That's kind of weird connector. It's just never mind. I'm just looking at this plastic, looking like weird, but it's exactly as the other one. So, okay, we gotta make sure that we hook that rail where it goes. So the windows will slide back and forth. I mean, up and down normally. Very close to where it should go. Very hard to see. Get it in. And now we can put the number 10 here. Alright, that's done. Going to close this, not put the panel yet. I want to try, make sure it's closing and locking and everything good before I close anything. sticky. You gotta stick on yourself. Alright, good as new. Put that there. We can connect our actuator. It feels good. I like the latch. Sure, it's releasing good. Let's try that from the outside as well. Okay, that's good. Make sure the key locks and unlocks. Okay. So everything is working good. And now we also have, let me get the phone close or the camera close to where most important is. Alright, now we have the new actuator in place. So the cable you need to see is this white one. So that's locked and doesn't lock. Working perfectly as it should. Let's try that from the other door. We're gonna go around the car. I know it's going to work because we checked all that before, but it's never overkilling when you have everything open. So hopefully you guys, let me see if I can do a zoom in there. You guys can see or hear. Yep. So it's moving back and forth good. Perfect. So we can control that one from both of the doors. So I'm going to put the trim back and work on the other door and then the rear. And that's it. I think I'm going to call this the fix and repair. I might record the rear tailgate just for purposes of remove and install for me and for somebody else. But as far as the diagnose and the after repair, this shows that, you know, all the diagnosis was correct. I will see if the tailgate worth to record because it's something difficult or something like that. I might record it, otherwise this will be the end of the Lexus with the door locks issue. Hopefully guys like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. This is just an extra for the video. Again, this is the Lexus with the door locks. I already replaced both of the front doors and the rear one, and everything is working good. I ended up needing to replace the remote battery because that was not even working. As you can see right now, you can hear the alarm. Let me show you on the other door. You click twice and open that one, and this one you're gonna have to see there. So this one is working too. And on the back, let me see if it's open. No, it's closed, so I'm just pulling the door and I'm gonna go to the unlock, which is this one, and I'm gonna go twice. Yeah, one time is for the driver door only and then twice for the rest of the door. So obviously these ones are not, when you know, working, you can close and nothing. So I just replaced the two on the front and the one on the tailgate, and it's good to go. If she wants to replace later on those two doors, it's not a problem. So at least the two main doors in the back is, which is very important for her, are operational. All right guys, this was just an extra material for the video and showing that everything is good to go. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot.